घर पे भी ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हो, बहुत बढ़िया।
साइड कर ले। 5464 बुलेट, 3329 बुलेट, जिनकी भी है साइड कर ले। 3329 बुलेट।
The girls cricket event is Sonam Shukla and Sakshi Tiwari. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Round of applause. I request every family member to please step out of the field so that the toss can happen. We just need one umpire and two captains. Rest everybody, please clear the field. Guys, request you to please clear the field. Let's get ready for the final, guys. This is a big final, big event, and this will be played in front of Babulda. We'll take selfies later, guys. Photos will be done later. I request the fielding team to take the field, please. Let's start the proceedings. The first ball will be bowled at 9 o'clock. Bowling team, please take the field.
Hello, hello. Hello everyone. Today we have a special guest, Mr. Babul Supriyo. A big round of applause for him. Thank you. He has came over here with his precious time. He has given us 5 minutes to come and witness how we are doing our tournament. A big round of applause for him. I would like him to speak few words for us.
Good evening, players, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't embarrass me by saying that I've taken out time out of my precious schedule and all that. I am a sports lover in every sense of the term, and you have a fantastic name. You have a very interesting name to your tournament, WTF. That's a very interesting name. I would just want to say what the WTF. आप ऐसा क्यों कह रहे हो कि मैं टाइम निकल के आया हूँ? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I would like to congratulate the players who are, scoring runs and fielding and bowling on the field. I also want to congratulate the people outside who are enjoying their butter masalas and kulchas and all that and not even looking around. They don't even want to look around, watch the match. They are very busy. I think that makes this a very wholesome tournament with all kind of spices, and I can see kachoris and all that here and there. So, it's a great thing. Thank you so much. We met each other while we were playing. I was playing football, you were playing cricket. So from that, it was very warm of them to say that please come for some time, and I don't need the please. It's a pleasure to be here. The only thing I'm having to rush is like all of you players. You could be shares on other side of the field, but the cheerleaders, your wives. To them, to them you are all rats. So that is exactly why I need to go back home right now. I have invited my floor for a dinner in my place today. So if I don't reach on time, I might have to wash the dishes later in the night. So that's the only reason why I have to leave right now. So you have a great final, and let us see some great shots where people from outside can say WTF. All the best. God bless. It's a pleasure being here. Thank you. Thank you. सांसों को सांसों में ढलने दो जरा, धीमी सी धड़कन को बढ़ने दो जरा, लम्हों की गुजारिश है ये पास आ जाए हम तुम सांसों को सांसों में ढलने दो जरा, कहो ना प्यार है तुमसे प्यार है. Don't worry, I have a second innings left in Bollywood. Next time when I come, you'll sing a few new songs. Thank you so much. बस अब खेलो, चांद ऊपर है, उसे देखते रहो और play. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless.
खाना आइए इधर आइए इधर.
All girls all over the world. Original man, stomach on your case, man. I love how all girls, they move them body. And when you move your body, you move it nice and sweet and sexy. Alright? I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
Come on, guys. It's the grand finale of WTF 6 upcoming. Fully loaded. Mavericks have won the toss, and a very crucial and important toss, and chosen to bowl first. 9 o'clock, first ball to be bowled. Umpires, please be on time. It's 9-5. Penalties will be charged. You won't get dinner. Jai Shri Ram is the call from Mavericks. Ram sabke hain. Sabke hain Ram. Rohan Mittal on strike, Pratham at the non-striker's end. This is the new ball given to Hriday Tiwari. Please pass it inside. Non-striker Pratham. Wicket keeper Dheeraj Daga. And the bowler is Mitesh Bagri, if I'm not wrong. Dheeraj Daga looking very prepared this time. A big smile on his face. Mitesh Bagri. Anurag Kajaria with his fielded setup. This is the grand finale of WTF 6. Anxious moments. Ready, Anna Dada? Play. All eyes upon the openers. Mitesh Bagri on his bowling mark with the first ball. Hemant Bagri attacking. Short ball, and it's a wide. First ball wide from Mavericks. Lovely second ball, but for 2 runs. 2 balls, 6 runs. Pratham on the strike. Strategies have been changed by Little Masters a little. Lovely ball. Oh, it's a wide once again. Mavericks extras have won you the match. It's the semi-final. Lovely ball. Oh, it's a miscatch by Hemant Mohta. Pratham with a good drive. Rohan Mittal back into the strike. Mitesh Bagri going to his bowling mark. Mavericks pumped up after the winning of their first semi-final. It's a no ball. What has happened to Mitesh Bagri? He has been bowling very well throughout the tournament, and he's just have to check his line. Full toss. This time length has been missed. It's over. 1 over 15 runs. Great start by Little Masters. 1 over 15 runs. Kunal Dujari is the second bowler. Challenge. It's a challenge over by Mavericks. They have challenged Pratham and Rohan Mittal. Let's see. Pratham and Rohan Mittal will accept it and complete it or not. 8 runs challenge. Kunal Dujari. Rocket. Rocket. Slow rocket. Lovely first ball, accurate second ball, but a single stolen by Pratham. Next ball, the third ball of the over by Kunal Dujari, faced by Rohan Mittal. Lovely shot, lovely ball for 2 runs. Pratham on the strike. Mavericks captain encouraging his team, lifting his fielders up. Rohan Mittal and Pratham looking composed and confident. A beat. कितना रन हुआ? 2 balls, 5 runs required to complete the challenge. Lovely ball and a lovely shot. This challenge has been completed by Pratham. 6. What a straight 6. Lovely shot by Pratham. A low full toss dipping down. Hit for a lovely straight 6. Lovely ball and just turned down for a single by Rohan Mittal. What a sensible batting by the Little Master batsmen. They have just been matured. Rohan Mittal back on strike. 2 overs, 34 runs. What a start by Little Master. Heading towards a huge total. Anurag Kajaria, the captain, the next bowler, on his bowling mark. Rohan Mittal will face him. Lovely ball. Rohan Mittal beaten all rounds up. Pratham taking a quick single. Dheeraj Daga being sloppy on the field. Anurag Kajaria not happy with his fielding performance. Back on his bowling mark. Pratham. Once. Oh, it's a wide. Is this distraction due to the fielding miss by Dheeraj Daga? It's a big question mark. Lovely defense by Pratham. What a bowling by Anurag. Lovely ball on his legs, leg by, and a run out chance missed. Directed would have been close. Anurag Kajaria not giving any room to the batsman. Very quick to his bowling mark. Rohan Mittal taking time. Lovely ball and lovely play by Rohan Mittal for 2 runs. Oh, it's a leg by, so only 1 run. Pratham facing Anurag Kajaria once again. It's bold. Anurag Kajaria bringing back his team. Huge wicket for Anurag Kajaria. Pratham, the dangerous batsman, being departed. Big blow to Little Masters. But Rohan Singh arrives on the field. The master of the chase of the last match. Chase master. Virat Kohli and Rohan Singh couldn't resemble. Rohan Singh at the non-striker's end. New over to start. 41 runs after 3 overs. Rohan Singh is the new batsman. Bowler is Akash Sharma. Rohan Mittal will face Akash Sharma. Wide ball, and it's again a misfield by Dheeraj Daga, but no loss of run by Mavericks. Second ball, a good. Oh, there is a confusion, run out chance. Very close. Oh my God. What a confusion. What a confusion on the field. Mavericks being top notch on the field. Little Masters, Rohan Singh and Rohan Mittal. Rohan square on the field. Lovely ball once again, but for a wide. Extras will kill you. It's like termites, kill you from inside. Lovely defense, but good call by Rohan Mittal. Lovely ball by Akash Sharma. What a game of cricket. This is the final we want to see. Lovely play, close fielders. Oh my God. Lovely ball, Rohan Mittal on his pads. Som Kochar very quick to the ball. It's over. "51 runs with the loss of 1 wicket after 4 overs. I think Little Masters captain would be happy with this total. Wickets are still in hand. Anurag Kajaria again back to the bowling mark. Repeat bowling. Crucial over. Wickets to stay. Big over. Crucial over for both the teams. 4 overs, 51 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Lovely ball and lovely defense. Oh, net has been saved. Som Kochar. Ball is following him. Rohan Mittal back to the strike. Anurag Kajaria keeping his nerves. Lovely full length delivery, and it's a run out chance, and it's out! It's out! Umpire has given out. Will captain take a review? Umpire has given it out. A big blow to the Little Masters. Partnership has been broken. A wicket which Mavericks been wanted. Anuj Kajaria, the dependable for Little Masters. Miscommunication between Rohan Square. Important partnership being built up has been broken by the captain of Mavericks, Anurag Kajaria. Will this wicket bring them back into the game? Not up to the mark. He'll bowl it again. Lovely ball. Rohan Singh just defending it. Is it out? No, it's an overthrow. Sloppy fielding on the field. Mavericks being bit sloppy this time. 2 runs. 2 runs shown by the umpire. Important session of the game. Crucial time for both the teams. Mavericks require wickets. Little Masters required momentum. Who will gain it? It's again a run out chance. They are taking risk. Risky runs being taken by Little Masters. Lovely fielding, aggressive fielding by Mavericks. Lovely slower delivery and another run. No! Close run out chance. Direct hit would have been very close, very close. All hands on the heads. Dheeraj Daga. Lovely delivery. Is it a wide? No, it's not a wide. Dot ball, the last ball. Score? Five overs, 56 runs for 2 wickets. Little Masters. Good over by Mavericks captain. He has brought his team back into the game with that wicket down. Shivam Bagadia is the new bowler. Rohan Singh taking the strike. Lovely ball. All ends beaten up. Rohan Singh. Concentration, focus required. Lovely ball for a single. Hemant Mohta being quick. Dheeraj Daga fielding with his leg. No throws are required. Shivam Bagadia going back. Anuj will face. Oh. Good defense. Lovely bowling by Shivam Bagadia. Not giving any room to the batsman. Oh my God! It was a bat on or leg by? Was it? It was a leg by shown by the umpire, so it was not a catch. Rohan Singh taking his time. 4 balls, 2 balls yet to be bowled. Oh, again a pad, again a run out chance. Oh, it was so close. Lovely running between the wickets by Little Masters. They are just taking time. Lovely defense. Oh, it's a no call by Anuj. They are Mavericks keeping it very tight. 6 overs, 59 runs with the loss of 2 wickets. 4 overs left. 59 runs for 2 wickets. Lovely game of play. What a bowling performance, what a batting performance. Delightful to see. Our dinner is also very delightful and yummy. Guests can have dinner. Coupons are with Giriraj Mundra for 300 rupees. Hemant Mohta the bowler. Lovely ball by Hemant Mohta. Is it a single? Yes. And it's a single. Good keeping by Dheeraj Daga. Hemant Mohta being very accurate. Very aggressive field setup by Mavericks. Not giving any space. Oh, it was a full toss. Is it a run out? Oh my God, it's out. It's out. Big wicket Rohan Singh. Big wicket Rohan Singh in the challenge over. Fielder name was Rohit Jain. Rohit Jain was the fielder. Score बताइए. हाँ, huge wicket for Little Masters. Mavericks. It's 60 runs. It's bowled. What a bowling performance by Hemant Mohta. 1 run only been scored by Little Master in 3 balls. A huge wicket by Hemant Mohta, bringing back his team in the finals. This is the game-changing moment. Little Masters taking a back seat now. Mavericks dominating the game. The scenario has been changed. Second half is being very fruitful for the Mavericks. Bowling change, good bowling change by the captain. Lovely fielding by all team. All players are pumped up, very aggressive. New batsman is Ankit Agarwal, the captain himself of Little Masters. He will take the strike. 3 balls, 7 runs required to complete the challenge. Ankit Agarwal taking the stance. Right hand batsman Ankit Agarwal, right hand bowler Hemant Mohta. Lovely contest. Lovely ball, a slog, but for a single. This challenge over is getting tighter. 4 balls, 2 runs, 2 balls, 6 runs required. And they do it. 2 balls, 6 runs. Anuj Kajaria. Lovely shot. 2 for 2 runs. No risk required. Dheeraj Daga keeping well. 1 ball, 4 runs required. Wickets need to be saved. Challenge is important. What will the captain do? What will the captain do? He have to take a big strike this time. What will he do? Lovely ball and it's a catch. Out call. Oh no. Catch missed. It's only 2 runs. Challenge has been saved. But captain has saved his wicket. Lovely bowling by Hemant Mohta. Mavericks coming back in the game strongly. Score. दिखाओ. "59 runs after 7 overs. 7 overs, 59 runs. "59 runs, 7 overs. Ankit Gupta is the next bowler. Crucial 3 overs. Little Masters captain on the strike. Ankit Gupta with the orange ball. Floodlights on. What a ball, what a slog, and it's a back net. Oh, lovely catch by Dheeraj Daga. Dheeraj Daga has not made any mistake this time. Lovely catch. Little Master losing their captain. The next batsman, Tushar Drolia. Mavericks has come back very strongly. Anuj on the other side, keeping his nerves. Captain being dependent on Anuj. Tushar Drolia. Lovely shot by Tushar, but first ball duck. First ball duck. Hit was not required at this time. Wicket is tumbling down like pack of cards. 10 overs. You have to stay on the crease. Losing wickets will not help anymore. 59 runs, 6 wickets. 7.2 balls, 4 wickets to go. Saurav Deora, the new batsman. Lovely full length delivery by Ankit Gupta, but it's 3 runs. Lovely shot by Saurav Deora. Lovely shot. Ground shots are the key to this game, because if you play ground shot, they are the safest shot, and if you're scoring in ground shots, you are playing well. Full toss for Anuj Kajaria, very easily guided towards the net. No need to take the risk. 1 run will not help. Slower ball and a slog. Oh my God. It's a wicket. Mavericks, Ankit Gupta, what a scenario. What a finals we are having. No, catcher Kunal Dujari. Kunal Dujari, the safe hands. Safe hands of this team. 7 wickets down for Little Masters. अबे वो और बात बोलेगा, बार बार मत पूछ. Ankit Gupta. Mavericks captain. Batsman named Jayant. Jayant, the new batsman, left-handed. Lovely defense. 2 left-hander batsmen at the crease. Difficult for the right-arm bowlers. Next bowler, Mavericks captain. Unable to decide. Rohit Jain, the choice of the captain. Rohit Jain, and Jayant will face Anuj is not getting as much strike as he wants, I think so. Score is 65 for 7 after 8 overs, 2 overs to go. Lovely ball, lovely flick of his wrist. 1 run on the net and a throw from Som Kochar, but safe hands of Kunal Dujari. 2 runs. Safe hands of Kunal Dujari. Lovely run. Anuj is on strike. Rupam Bajaj saying something to Akash Sharma. Lovely ball, lovely shot. Oh. Lovely shot by Anuj. This is 3 runs added to the team's total. Rohit Jain giving his best effort on the field. Mavericks captain adjusting the field for the left-hander. Jayant Shah. Rohit Jain back to his bowling mark. Hold. Once again a good ball. It's a catch. Som Kochar will not miss many. Lovely catch by Som Kochar. Poor shot selection. Shot selection could be better by the batsman. Next batsman, Mavericks. Mavericks again coming back strong. Catcher is Som Kochar. "70 runs is the score. Akash Agarwal is on strike. Rohit Jain, the bowler. Lovely ball is Akash Agarwal beaten up by this ball. A dot ball. Intense situation on the field. It's a full toss. It's not a no ball. Good ball by Rohit Jain. Akash Agarwal unable to score. He just need to rotate the strike and give strike to Anuj Kajaria, the main batter. Another good ball. Akash Agarwal not able to touch the ball. Is it over? 70 runs after 9 overs. 8 wickets down. Anuj Kajaria again on strike. How many balls will he play? It is interesting to see. This tournament, have seen so many low scores. Will this final witness one also? Som Kochar on his bowling mark. Anuj Kajaria. Lovely ball. Anuj Kajaria with the slog, but unable to hit the ball. Som Kochar very confident with his bowling. Lovely ball. This is a 6. This is a 6. Anuj Kajaria will not take a run. He will take the maximum ball strike. Bowled him. What a ball by Som Kochar. What a ball. This is something to see. This is something to see. What a ball by Som Kochar. Anuj Kajaria clean bowled by Som Kochar. What a bowling unit. What a fielding unit by Mavericks. Complete team effort by Mavericks. Treat to watch. Captains making crucial fielding adjustments. Both the batsmen are the down order batsmen. Som Kochar with the ball again. Lovely ball by Som Kochar. 1 run saved by Akash Sharma. Just one run. Last ball. Last ball, है ना? Two balls. Two balls left. Akash Agarwal on the strike. Everyone closing in inside the circle. It's again Akash Agarwal unable to touch the ball. Once again, it's a no ball. No ball called by the umpire. One run in the no ball. Flighted delivery, driven. Shreyash Mohta reluctant to run. Lovely one run stole. One run scored at the last ball of the innings. Great field performance by Mavericks. But Little Masters have scores on board. How much? कितना रन है?
3 minutes. Can I have few helping hands upstairs? Okay, game starts in 1 minute. 1 minute to go. Kushal, please come up. Kushal, please come up. Pawan, Pawan. बोलो तारा रारा बोलो तारा रारा Okay, scorers ready? Music off. Music off, DJ. Thank you. You have been too kind on us today. Let's gear up for the first ball, guys. Final Cup final. The BAP of all finals, WTF Season 6.
Rohan Singh with the ball in his hand. Mitesh Bagri and Ankit Gupta on the field. Ankit Gupta will take the strike. Rohan Singh, will he be the key bowler for Little Masters? First ball of the second innings of the final WTF 6. Lovely first ball by Rohan Singh. Lovely second ball. Will Akash Sharma. Good fielding by Akash Sharma. Akash Agarwal.
Abhishek ji, you got excited. Akash Sharma is in the dugout right now.
Saved by Rohan Singh.
I can see a good energy by Rohan, but the batsmen, you can't take them lightly. They are also playing it very well. That's really very pace, but it's a wide. These extras, if they add up, it's really gonna be tough and tough for the Little Masters to defend.
Fireballs, what we need, what Little Masters need. Yes, this is the fireball. Even the wicketkeeper left aside with the ball. Asteroids are called. Rohan Singh, these balls are asteroids. Lovely play by Mitesh Bagri. Sloppy fielding by Harsh Khanna. A run out chance would have been made. But good play by Mitesh Bagri. Strike rotated and Ankit Gupta back on the strike. Oh, it's over.
So after the end of first over, the score is 6 runs for no loss. DJ, please play. एक ओवर 6 रन, 0 wickets. Is it a challenge over? Challenge over 8 runs. That's high in the air. Will it be taken? पीछे लग के साइड नेट आउट नहीं है, तो 2 रन, एक बॉल पे 2 रन आ चुके हैं. Is that out? No, that's a good appeal. The umpire had rejected the call. What do you think, Abhishek? This challenge over, how vital it is?
This challenge over is very important for Mavericks' point of view. Lovely ball by Anuj Kajaria. Challenge overs give momentum to the team. It take them closer to the total, while chasing challenge overs are very crucial as they releases pressure.
3 बॉल पे से 2 रन आए हैं. Sliced hard. 4 बॉल 4 रन आ चुके हैं. 2 गेंदों में 4 रन बनाना है चैलेंज कंप्लीट करने के लिए. And this is a very very vital over. This over will decide the entire match scenario. That was a slower ball, good fielding. एक बॉल पे 3 रन चाहिए चैलेंज के लिए. Can the Mavericks do it? That's sliced hard in the air, and they're running one more, and the challenge has been done. That was a sloppy fielding. Such an important over. Allah ki beautiful condition.
Yes, shit.
Lovely piece of game sense between Ankit Gupta and Mitesh Bagri.
Yes,
Good
sir.
running between the wickets.
Just get.
Little Master captain
Yes,
not happy
sir.
with the fielding performance of his team.
Just get. Yes, shit.
He has given bowling to the
Bingo.
trusted Tushar Dwalia.
Bingo. Bingo. Bingo.
Score 22 runs after 2 overs. Field changes by Little Master captain. It's a wide ball. Crowd, please be silent while bowler is taking the run up. Crowd, please be silent while bowler is taking the run up. It is requested. Lovely ball, and it's a run out chance. Oh, it's a loose throw by Rohan Mittal. Ankit Gupta back into the strike.
Abhishek, I think Mavericks is getting control over the game. Yes, they are risking few singles, but that's part and parcel. That's nicely sliced, good fielding. Another single. It's a good display of cricket by the Mavericks. It's a good drive. And that's a sloppy fielding by Pratham. These additional extra runs, 8 runs of this delivery is adding up to the total. I think the game is moving towards Mavericks.
Ankit, it's long way to go. Lovely shot by Ankit Gupta, adding runs to his team total. But Little Masters can come back anytime.
Well, Abhishek, yeah, I think they can come back because I played for the same team last year, but it looks quite difficult. So after the end of 3 overs, the score is 39 runs. Already 39 runs on the board on the finals. 3 overs, 39. They're playing with a run rate of 13 runs per over. There has been few sloppy fieldings by Little Masters, which is really affecting their game.
It is the pressure on the Little Masters. Pressure can be seen on the face. Rohan Mittal is the bowler. Accurate bowling by Rohan Mittal, but Ankit Gupta successful in stealing this 2 runs of the first ball of Rohan Mittal. Lovely ball, but it's a wide. Little Masters just getting off track. They have to come back in the game strongly.
That is what pressure is all about. It's an intense game. There's huge pressure on the bowlers to defend the lowest total. They're feeling the heat of the moment. That's a nice, good line of length. Abhishek, what do you think? Who is going to bowl the next over from the Little Masters?
Lovely ball by Rohan Mittal, not giving any room. I think Rohan Singh will repeat his over. Again, accurate bowling by Rohan Mittal, not giving any room. A leg by 1 run. Good bowling performance.
Well, this game is all about wickets now. If you can take wickets, then only you can win this match. You need your star bowler, and I can see the star bowler taking his run up. Rohan Singh, the star bowler. 4 over के बाद 46 runs. 46 runs after 4 overs. Rohan Singh gearing up in his run up. This over, we need to take at least 2-3 wickets to turn this game around. 33 runs चाहिए 36 बॉल पे. सिर्फ 33 runs 36 balls पे.
Rohan Singh is the next bowler. 33 required in 36 balls. What a ball! But still a single stolen from the hands of the fielder. It's a leg by 1 run. Little Masters need to change something. It's a wide ball by Rohan Singh, trying to give lots of effort on his pace, resulting in a wide ball. Extras won't let you win. Yes, this is the ball, but lovely play of full toss by Ankit Gupta. Run out chance. Good call by Ankit Gupta. Lovely save by Anuj Kajaria. Lovely one saved by Anuj Kajaria. Rohan Singh back to his bowling mark. Mitesh Bagri on the strike.
That was a good ball, good pace, fast, steamy delivery. Rohan is trying his best. One wicket would resolve all the problems, I guess. The shot was in the air, but completed. 1 + 1 is 2 runs. One last ball for Rohan. Can he pick a wicket for his team, Little Masters? That was a full toss straight in the hand of Rohan. Change of the over. 56 run after the end of 5 overs. 23 रन चाहिए 30 गेंदों पे. 23 रन 30 गेंद. I think Mavericks have already started celebrating. I can see the smiles on the face of the Mavericks.
Mavericks cruising along. Make it look so easy. So confident. They are just have come to win this finals. Showing their other side from semi-final. Their game have changed a lot after their league performances. Akash Agarwal, the new bowler. Mitesh Bagri on the strike. Lovely shot by Mitesh Bagri, not taking any risks, just hitting on the nets. 2 runs in 1 balls. Lovely shot by Ankit Gupta. Good fielding Rohan Mittal. But these 1 runs taken will take Mavericks to win. Lovely play by Mitesh Bagri. Mavericks are playing like champions. Mavericks have come onto the field with the bat that they will take the trophy home.
Well, Abhishek, I told you in the start of the play only. This is Mavericks game. Looking at the score of Little Masters, yeah, things would have been different if they would have picked some good wickets, and a few catches and run-outs would have changed the course of the game. That's wide, too many extras as well. I think Mavericks... Oh, that's not a wide, change of a decision. Good spirit of the game, good spirit of the game. Widening है. काफी अच्छी बॉलिंग बाय आकाश अग्रवाल. बढ़िया बॉलिंग कर रहे. चेंज ऑफ एंड ऑफ द ओवर. द स्कोर इज 64 runs. सिर्फ 15 रन चाहिए, सिर्फ 15 रन. 24 बॉलें बाकी हैं, जिसमें से एक सुपर ओवर भी है, चैलेंज ओवर भी है. 15 रन 24 गेंदों में with a challenge over in hand. This looks like a one-side final. Go for it, Little Masters. I think you can still change the course. Try hard. The captain himself, I think, is gonna bowl from the Avenue Mall end. He's gonna be fast, I guess.
Captain still hustling to find the right track. To bring his team on the track, he has taken the ball in his hands. Will this change something? It's a challenge over. Captain with ball in his hands. If this challenge is completed, Mavericks will win this game. Will this be the last over of this final? Lovely slow ball. 1 run stolen by Mitesh Bagri. No wickets have been lost by Mavericks. What a performance. Cruising along to the cup of WTF 6. Lovely ball. Another 1 run is over. Run out chance miss. Direct hit was required. Captain taking huge responsibility in his hands. Lovely ball once again. Mitesh slogged but unsuccessful. 1 run, 3 balls, 3 runs. Will Ankit Agarwal be able to stop this challenge? A big question mark. Everyone's eyes on this. Full delivery, a catch attempt, and it's 6 runs. It's all over for Little Masters.
And Mavericks win the final. The Mavericks have won the final WTF Season 6. What a display of cricket. It has been a 2 days. Absolutely great game. All the players have played well over the course of 2 days. They have practiced so hard right after the auctions. It has been a great event organized by WTF with the Friends Season 6. Anuj, you have been a great captain.
Everybody knows say bravo a champion.
Finally we have a champion. Wonderful play. Amazing, you can see the fireworks.
A champion, Bounty a champion.
You can see the fireworks.
A champion, Poland is a champion.
That's amazing. What a display of game.
Michael Jordan, Obama a champion.
Fireworks all around. Mavericks have won this game. What a moment in WTF 6. The true champions, and they have played truly like a champion. Fireworks all around. A great tournament organized by the WTF 6 committee. Piyush Mundra, special thank you Pawan Sureka, Giriraj Mundra, Dheeraj Daga, Anuj Kajaria. All have made huge effort to make this possible. I'm sorry if I'm missing someone, but you have to thank the committee who has made lot of effort to make this possible. True champions, Mavericks played like a champion. What a tournament this was. What a turnaround. Table bottom is reversed in the finals. It's a huge win for Mavericks. Once again, WTF committee is thankful to all present. Everyone is requested to have their dinner if they have not yet been yet. It's delightful dinner awaited. What pictures, what scenes over there. Lovely scenes on the field. Hugs all around. Mavericks captain. Emotional moment for the team. This is what required a true champion. They played like true champions today. What a semi-final contest and what a final contest. DJ Bravo. Champions, champions, champions. Mavericks, Mavericks, Mavericks. WTF 6 champions 2024. The team Mavericks. Congratulations to the captain अनुराग कजारिया, शिवम बागड़िया, रूपम बजाज, रोहित जैन, आकाश शर्मा, कुणाल गुजारे, रोमन मोहता, अंकित गुप्ता, and finally Dheeraj Daga. Lovely scenes from the ground, from the field. What a delightful tournament, delightful pictures.
Michael Jordan, Obama, a champion.
This is the moment we all waited since 2 days. What a performance. Lovely pictures from the ground. Happy faces, smiling faces. Oh, I miss Som Kocher, the title sponsor. Really tension.
Now I would like to call the defending champion and the runner-up team in the ground. Little Masters, a big round of applause. We never dreamt of that Little Masters are going to go into the finals, but their team commitment, their performance have made it. Though he did not defend the championship, but he has defended the runner-up trophy. Anurag Kajaria, Rohit standing with the champion trophy, Anurag Kajaria. Ankit Gupta, the FE player,
Please have your food and then enjoy the moment.